10 muscle cars with animal names that stand out. Ford XY Falcon GT. This Australian muscle car featured a 351 Cleveland V8 engine, making it the fastest four-door production car and a Bathurst 1000 champion. Chevrolet Impala. The Chevy Impala, famed for its powerful V8 engines, was celebrated in the Beach Boys song 409 and revived in 1994, reinforcing its status as a muscle car icon. Dodge Super Bee. This 1968 budget-friendly sports car featured a 383 Magnum V8 engine with 335 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.1 seconds and a quarter mile in 15 seconds. Plymouth Roadrunner. Plymouth paid Warner Brothers $50,000 to license the Roadrunner name for its 1968 car, featuring a beep-beep horn and 383 V8, popular among street racers for speed and power. Dodge Coronet RT. This 1967 Dodge combined luxury with power, featuring a 440 Magnum V8 engine. It offered a 426 Hemi option, achieving quarter-mile times in the low 14-second range. Pontiac GTO Tiger. Known as the Tiger, it debuted in the 1960s with a 389 V8 engine, earning 360 horsepower. It won Motor Trend's 1968 Car of the Year award. Mercury Cougar. The 1967 Mercury Cougar combined European luxury with American muscle, featuring hidden headlights, sequential taillights, a 390 V8 engine, plush interiors, and won the 1967 Motor Trend Car of the Year. Plymouth Barracuda. This 1964 car predated the Mustang in the muscle car scene. The 1970 Hemi Cuda with 426 Hemi V8 is now a highly sought-after collector's item. Buick Skylark GS. This 1970s muscle car is a sleeper, featuring a 455 cubic inch V8 engine with 360 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds and a quarter mile in 13.38 seconds. Ford Mustang. The Mustang, debuting in 1964, sold over 418,000 units in its first year. Named after the Wild Horse, it remains a performance car icon, with its seventh generation arriving in 2024.